Hello everybody, this is Serpent, and in this video I'll be showing off some new updates to the Graphing Calculator SD. I won't be going through every little detail, but if you want to see the full changelog, it is available on the GitHub page in the Releases menu. I know this update is a little bit old at this point, it's not incredibly new, but I haven't put up a video about it, so I want to do this before putting up the new update and putting up a video on that one, so anyway, sorry about that, but this is the update for version 1.27.3, and a couple earlier ones. So, first things first, I've got some new interface stuff. I've made some of the tooltips more coherent and instructive. I've made some improvements to the interface, so you can now navigate through any of the menus by using Tab or Shift-Tab and Enter. I've also rearranged the graphing menu a little bit so that the value block is always accessible, which is nice, and made a couple focus changes to make things hopefully more intuitive and useful. I've also added a color picker on the side you can see there, so no more guessing what the RGB looks like. And speaking of color pickers, I have a new theme building GUI, which has a whole bunch of color pickers in a big array, and that'll let you put together a nice theme and also see what it looks like as you're doing it, which hopefully will make it easier to make nice themes for the program. I've also used that to update a couple of the old themes in the program and make some new ones, so take a look at that. Now onto the fancy ones. I have a new texture, it's called meshcutout.ping, and this is a cutout texture of the grid lines, which lets you see through the graph and see its different features without having to turn it on to translucent, which is a bit CPU intensive, and sometimes drops your frame rate. Speaking of translucent graphs though, you don't have to worry about switching it to translucent so much anymore, because I've increased the efficiency of the vertex sorting by about a factor of 50. Previously it was slow enough that things had to be sorted just every few frames, and that caused spiky lag. Now you can sort it every single frame, and you can see a nice before-after situation here. You might also notice that I fixed some texture stitching for 4D graphs, so that cutout texture is extra cool now because you can put it on four-dimensional graphs and see all the grid lines through the volume. It's pretty nifty. However, I think that's about all I've got for today, so hopefully this video was helpful. You can go take a peek at the update, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.